If you want to earn rewards on GCash, sharing your referral code is one of the easiest ways to do it. So how do we find and share it? So just start by opening the GCash app on your phone and logging in with your mobile number and MPIN. Then you just go to your profile, where it's happening on it on the top right corner. From the menu, select Invite Friends or Refer Friends. This is where GCash keeps all your referral information. Then inside referral section, you'll see your unique referral code as shown on this screenshot right over here, and the referral link you can directly share. GCash automatically shares everyone who signs up through your code or link. Also, in order to share it, you can just send it to any messenger or any social web that you're using. For example, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, SMS, email, whatsoever. Just choose the platform you want. And also, for you to actually receive the reward, your friend must create a GCash account using your code and link and fully verify their GCash account. Once they complete verification, the referral bonus is usually credited automatically. Enjoy, guys! If this video helped you out, like and subscribe.